welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you 2 of my top oatmeal recipes. This is basically me trying them out for the first time and tasting them, and I wanted to share with you just kind of like what I did and how they came out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe because it really supports my channel and I can post more videos like this. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so right now I am doing 1 cup of oats, 1 cup into my pot. I'm adding 1 cup of water and 1 cup of this new, well, it's not new, I just haven't tried it. Well, I don't know when it came out, but Blue Diamond, almond braise, blah, 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 you know, the whole deal. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some berries to my pot as well. It's probably good. I'm just gonna let that soften and kind of melt together. Okay, so these have been going for a few minutes just on medium heat, and now they're all like softened up and juicy and ready to be topped onto my oatmeal. Okay, last but not least, I'm just gonna top this with some unsalted roasted pepitas. And just a generous sprinkle on top, like that. Okay, lol, so I'm actually eating this on the go right now, but I just tried it and it tastes pretty good. I mean, obviously the oatmeal itself isn't like sweetened, but as long as I get a bite with the berry in it, it's pretty good. Yeah, and I'm not usually one for like oatmeal, but this is definitely like a good way to get everything I need without adding anything bad to it. Like, cause it's all just frozen berries, oatmeal, like plant-based milk, and some pepitas. So good protein, good carbs, antioxidants, all that good stuff. Okay. Okay, so I'm also making my oatmeal again today. I just wanted to show you a variation that I've decided to test out, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm starting with 1/3 of a cup of oats for this. I reduced the quantity because it was just way too much for me to eat. So 1/3 a cup of oats, 1/3 cup of water, and my same almond milk, and also 1/3 of a cup. So equal parts water, whatever dairy-free milk you want, or just regular milk, I suppose, and oats. I'm also going to add like a teaspoon's worth of chia seeds to this as well, and a whole bunch of cinnamon. Mash up half of this and mix it in, and then the other half I'm going to slice and put on top of my finished oatmeal. First taste. I have a little bit of everything. It's really good. I like that so much better than the one with berries. It literally tastes like banana bread. I think with the nuts and the banana and the cinnamon on top, like, it really enhances it. It's like a 9 out of 10. The other one's like I would say a 6 out of 10. Like, I think that a lot of people would like it, but I just, for some reason, am not big on like berry and oat combination apparently, but this tastes phenomenal to me. Flash forward to the next day, what I just did was, instead of putting the walnuts just on top by themselves, I actually put them, well, I put a little piece of banana in the pan and I mushed it up, and then I added in the walnuts that I kind of like just crushed in my hand, and added in a little bit of cinnamon, and it's like perfect. And obviously you probably can't tell, but it's like, you know what I mean, like when you candy walnuts. I wanted to kind of get that vibe going. And so the sweetness from the banana kind of toasted and coated all around them. And I added the cinnamon just because I'm like obsessed with cinnamon. I always have been. So here are my oats today, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on and the rest of my banana and some cinnamon. Look at this beauty here. Oh my god, the one yesterday came out good, but I just wanted to show you this one because I mixed it up a little bit. And this was literally the best oatmeal I've ever eaten yesterday, so I'm super excited to do this one because I left some or most of the banana whole because every piece with like a banana and walnut in it was so good, but then my like last 2 bites didn't have anything because I got excited and ate all of the toppings at first, which I normally don't do, but I just got so excited. They tasted so good, so I added some more walnuts and left most of the banana whole. So this is just literally, it smells so good. It smells like fresh baked banana bread, and literally it's so great. Like, because it's healthy, you know, there's no added sugar. Okay, so I just wanted to go ahead and try a walnut for you guys. Oh my god, it is perfection. It's like sweet and it has the cinnamon sticking to it because of the banana. It's like an enhanced walnut. But yeah, oh, it's so good. You can't get enough. Okay, that's it for today. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. And also be sure to subscribe so you can see more videos like this coming soon. Alright, thank you. Bye.